I am humbled and deeply honored to accept the honorary degree of Doctor of Humane Letters in Leadership from the University of Eastern Africa, Baraton. I must say that it is the first time ever that I have accepted a honorary degree from any university. And I have reasons why I did accept this one, among the many that have been suggested to me. It is a great privilege to be recognized by this esteemed institution for the impact of my contribution, which have been made possible through the collaboration of many people and their goodwill. Together, we have contributed to the well-being of our fellow citizens and the advancement of our nation. I therefore take this opportunity to acknowledge the support of countless individuals, communities, and organizations across the country who have partnered with me through my public career, dedicating their effort, their time, their skills, and energy to the betterment of our society and our nation. I feel challenged that this very moment to reflect deeply on the impact of my efforts and contributions, particularly on how they align with the fundamental values and principles that this university holds dear. The purpose of leadership is to inspire and empower individuals and teams to pursue opportunities for growth, advancement, and self-actualization. Without values, leadership is not only undefined and ineffective, but it also fails from the outset. Inherent in leadership, therefore, is the responsibility to consistently demonstrate through visible actions in the service of others and our nation the highest standards of integrity, focus, compassion, and unwavering commitment to excellence in pursuit of our common good. As I mentioned earlier, these principles of leadership and service have defined this university since its inception. I am proud to be associated with its work, values, and example. I am very proud to receive my very first honorary degree from the first chartered university in Kenya. With immense gratitude and humility, I accept this recognition and the honor of the Doctor of Humane Letters in Leadership from the University of Eastern Africa, Baraton. It is a privilege to join the university's distinguished convocation alongside the graduating class of 2024. This degree will serve as a constant reminder of my responsibility to contribute fully in the advancement of knowledge, to drive positive change, and to help create a future for Kenya where leadership is synonymous with integrity and excellence in service. I believe that these are the indispensable qualities of servant leadership, which is exactly what our nation needs at this moment in our journey of transformation. I am persuaded that the values, the Christian values, the godly values that Baraton stands for and its exemplary leadership and integrity are values that are aligned with what I believe in as a person. And I am very proud that at this moment there is a convergence in what I believe in and what this great institution believes in. Thank you very much.